Please join me for a tour of this beautifully updated Tavern Shores condominium that includes a carport at the entrance. Upstairs is the main living level with slider to the deck that overlooks an expansive grass between the house and lake. The path leads to a beautiful pier, buoy field, and beach. The well-appointed kitchen features granite counters, a custom backsplash, Fisher-Paykel fridge freezer, and beautiful cabinetry. The adjoining primary suite with attached bath is currently being used as a sitting room. Custom Knotty Alder cabinetry is seen throughout the house. Downstairs are 2 bedrooms, one with door to the patio and both with lovely lake views. A hall bath serves this area, and there is a laundry room pantry along with understair storage on this floor. The complex is within easy walking distance to Tahoe City. A well-established community, Tavern Shores is a special place for either full-time or vacation use.